everyone. Today we are going to go explore with Lobo. The first step is to air down the tires. The reason we air down the tires is because it makes it easier to drive on the rocks and the bumps. Then the sides of the tires will fall, which gives you more traction. We're going to use these guys to air down the tires. Look at the difference between the tires. The tire is a lot lower than it used to be, and that's going to help us scale for the rocks. So right now, the Jeep was stuck, so it's being pulled out. Woohoo! Now they're just taking out the strap, and he's unstuck. Hooray! We're looking for a way to get past because over there it's blocked, so we're looking for the best way to go. I'll show you how deep this is. Find out. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get stuck here. He got stuck. Now he's really stuck. Look at that big hill. Wow. Can you hear all that revving? He's trying to get out. So we found some water on the road, so we're gonna test it out and drive through it. The Jeep is stuck. So we're gonna need to pull him out. His tire isn't even touching the water, and the other tire is also not like even seen from this angle. We're gonna use a strap. The strap attaches there on the strap hook, on the hook there, and then we attach it to the other Jeep. This strap doesn't open. We're gonna use this shackle to connect it. So now it's secure and we're ready to go. Because after he got stuck and he almost made it up, except he just got stuck, so we're gonna pull him a little bit. That was easy. Different ways to pull out a car or a Jeep or like, you know what I'm talking about, when it's stuck. So, first one is the strap as you saw before. And the next one is the winch. The remote, you can control it going in or out. So, there are different occasions that you would use the strap and different occasions that you would use the winch. On Jeeps there's tow points, like here, like the hooks, where you can just put the strap in, or there are these D-rings. To connect the strap in here, a shackle, like They dig into the sand or dirt and give you traction. You can have lots of power, but if you don't have traction, the power doesn't do anything. So you need to have traction to have more power. And if you don't have traction, you can use momentum. You have to be careful with how you use momentum.